Paano po yun?
Well, ang magpapasya po nito yung Solicitor General, no? They will garnish the entirety of their bank accounts. They will garnish their personal properties. Kung meron pong pwedeng mamailit na mga real properties, ito pong mga involved personalities po na ito, yun po yung gagawin ng Solicitor General pagka ho hinabol na po ito pong liability, personal liability over the misuse of confidential funds.
Sir, pagdating ba sa gravity, kasi yung 73 million with finality na po yung notice of disallowance decision, itong isa 375 million in total, pero appealable pa po within 180 days. So, pagdating sa gravity ng offenses, magkatimbang ba siya or mas matimbang yung 73 million pero mas malaki kasi yung amount ng 375?
Hindi, mas mabigat ho yung mas malaki, syempre. Hindi ba? Kasi ang atin naman pong tansya, they won't be able to justify. If they weren't able to justify it the first time, I'm quite certain they won't able to justify it the second time. Hindi ba? Kasi pareho lang naman ho yung batayan nung pong binabanggit noon. So halimbawa, yung pong paggamit ng confidential funds dati on office supplies, ang ginamit lang ho nila pambayad, acknowledgement receipts, no? Ngayon ho, ganoon na naman ho yung ginawa nila at mas malaki pa ho yung amount. Almost 200 million po yung pinag-uusapan ho natin na ang ginamit nila acknowledgement receipts lang po imbes na official receipts, no, para sa pagbili po ng mga supplies, no. So yan po, tingin ko it will ultimately ripen to a finality of a decision in due time, no. So parehong mabigat, pero mas mabigat to syempre ito pong pangalawang ND na ito dahil mas malaki ho talaga yung pinag-uusapan nating amount.
Sir, dun sa papel may nakalagay na disallowed because